Did you know that you can transfer events from one provider to another in Blueprint OMS? Head up to the Tools menu and then down to Transfer Events. First, start by selecting your period start date in which you want the events to transfer from. Then, select the period end date. In this example, we'll go through the end of the year. Next, we're going to select the location of the events that we'd like to transfer, and then which provider we're transferring them from, and finally the provider in which the events are being transferred to. We'll hit Next. Here we'll see a list of all the events that will be transferred, and then we'll hit Finish and select the yes that we'd like to proceed. Now we'll see that all the events are on the new provider.